Hello students, we have covered all these topics related to uncertainty in mathematical operations like square, cube root, square root, inverse, etc. Now we are going to cover this uncertainty while doing square root operation. So here we are having one question. The question says that determine the uncertainty in the radius of a cylinder having the volume measured to be 6.02% and uncertainty in its height to be 4.01%. So let's solve this question. So here they have given two values, volume of a cylinder, uncertainty in the volume and uncertainty in the height. So we will write uncertainty in the volume first. So volume percentage uncertainty, which is given as 6%, and this volume percentage uncertainty can be found out by this equation delta V upon V. So that means these two things are equal. Percentage 6% is equals to delta V by V. Okay, so now we will write this delta V upon V equals to 6%, because left hand side is volume and right hand here also left hand side both the volume, so we can equate this equation and we can write in this way. So this is equation number 1. Now we can do for same thing using height. So we will now write for height. So height is given by height they have given in the question. In the question, percentage uncertainty in height as 4.01%. So we will write here as 4.01%, 4.01%, and the formula to find height is given by percentage uncertainty is given by delta H upon H. So that means delta H upon H is equals to 4%. Delta H upon H is equals to 4.01%. And this is equation number 2. Now they have asked uncertainty in radius. What they have asked is find the uncertainty in radius. Uncertainty in radius. DIUS, radius. So we will solve this. Is being asked. So as you know, volume of a cylinder is given by pi r square h. So this is the what the formula says. Now we will take this r on the right side and remaining on the with this r on the left side and remaining on the right side. So we will resolve this equation. R square equals to v upon pi h. So r will be equals to under root of v upon pi h. So this is the formula for r. So we got the formula for r. So here under root is there. So that means while finding uncertainty, it will become half. Whenever under root is there, that means here 2 is written. So it will become half. If suppose here cube is there, here in place of this under root here 3 is written. Okay. So it will become 1 by 3. If here 4 is written, then it will become 1 by 4. So that you have to remember. But for writing square root, we don't write 2 generally. So that's why we can rub this. So here square root we can write as it is, as it was there. So we can write as usual this. So this is that. This is for normal radius, how you find the radius normally. But now we will find uncertainty in the radius using the formula. So for uncertainty in the radius, the formula says that, so I will write on the next page. So uncertainty in radius is given by delta r upon r. Delta r upon r. So this is there. So now this means uncertainty in the radius. So is into, so percentage uncertainty it will be there. So we can write into 100. So percentage uncertainty. So into 100 we have to write. So now here is equals to half into delta v upon v, because square root was there and so that's why here half came. If it is cube root, so 1 by 3 will come. If it is 4th root or 5th root or anything, so that number will come. If it is 5th root, so 1 by 5 will come. So in this way you should remember. So delta h upon h bracket closed into 100. So this is the formula. But we have found this and these two values. So we will substitute the values here. Whatever the values we know, delta v by v and delta h by h. So we will see is equals to half bracket. So delta V by V, we will see what we have found out. So delta V by V here is 6%. So this is there. So 6%. We will substitute the value in place of delta V by V. So 6 plus delta H by H also we will see. So delta H by H is given by 4.01%. So here 4.01 this value. So this we will substitute 4.01 bracket closed into 100. So we will solve this. 6 plus 4 is 10.01. So half into 10.01. So that means 5.05 it will come. So the answer will come as 5.05%. So this is the answer for this. So uncertainty in the radius is 5.05%. Percentage uncertainty in the radius. So uncertainty in the radius. So in this way you can find for all these values.